Hi again, this is Renee Martinez and I am your English 112 instructor. In this video, I wanted to go through and just give you an overview of the course and how things will be. So, when you log into Moodle and you click on English 112, this should be the web page that you see. This is where you will have all of your instruction. This is where all your activities will be. And the resources for you to be able to complete those activities well. So let's go around and look through it. So in this first block here, you will see that any announcements that I post are posted in the news forum. And hopefully you've already watched the Meet Your Instructor video that tells you a little bit about myself. Here is your syllabus that lets you know the assignments and the expectations of this course. After you have reviewed the syllabus, please check the syllabus acknowledgement. We need to have that to make sure that you understand the rules and regulations and the expectations of this course. Here we have the tentative schedule. This year I have done the tentative schedule a little bit different. Let me bring it. I have done your tentative schedule as an actual calendar, hoping that this will make you see things laid out better. Feel free to print this calendar out and add the due dates of your other classes in here so that you have all those due dates in one place so that you can see them. If you don't want to print it out, then you could go to File, make a copy, and then you would be able to edit it to add the due dates of your other classes in there and keep an electronic file. I would also recommend that you put due dates into a calendar. Those of you who have smartphones and you have your Gmail from your student account pushed to your smartphone, go into Google Calendar and create all the due dates and it'll send you alerts. You can set the alerts for minutes or even days to let you know things are coming up. So this is the first week of class, and you will notice that everyone must complete the EVA. EVA stands for Enrollment Verification Activity. This is our way of making sure that you show up for class. It's like an attendance tracker thing for the first couple of days. But you will notice in my class, you have 2 assignments that are due before this EVA is due. I strongly recommend you go ahead and complete the EVA today. Hopefully you're watching this on August 15th. And then you can go ahead and get these assignments done so you're not penalized. Class begins August 15th, not August 24th. So that's a calendar, and you'll see it keeps going. You also notice that everything says that it is due by 10:30 p.m. on the date posted on the calendar. So by 10:30 p.m. you are to have posted on the online name tent and Padlet by 10:30 on the 18th. This class rocks and rolls pretty quickly. We cannot get behind, so make sure that you keep up with your schedule and you know exactly what's going on. Here is a file of my writing pet peeves. I strongly recommend you look over that. See what I do and don't like in a writing essay. It's probably nothing different than what you've had in other classes, but these are things that draw my attention immediately and drive me crazy. We'll discuss them throughout the semester, so don't worry. You don't have to memorize them, but it is a good reference. Here's that EVA I was talking about. So make sure it's just a couple of quick questions. It'll probably take you less than 10 minutes to take it. Go ahead and get that done today so that you are on the right track for being successful in this course. So let's just go down. So this class is divided into units. The first unit is the introductory unit. This is where we will do some documentation review. For those of you who recently had MLA last semester, MLA has changed, and this video here explains the changes. So please make sure that you use that. When you log in, make sure you click on the login with Google. That way you don't have to set up an account. You just say that you're a student and you want to enter the English 112 course, and you're good to go. So the first part of every unit is you have a block of resources. There'll be instructional videos posted there, pages for you to read, outside YouTube videos, whatever the case may be. But this is the resources section, then helps you with the activities section. So here's our welcoming Padlet that you need to post in by 10:30 on August 18th. So please make sure you do that. And then we have an academics discipline reading from your textbook. If you see a star beside the name of an activity, it means that after you completed an activity, a video that I have created will pop up and help to give you an explanation. It'll help you to determine, explain the things that should have been thought about and discussed there. So this is Unit 1. The rest of our units are humanities, literary analysis, natural sciences, annotated bibliography, and social sciences, theory and response. And then you have a final portfolio, and it's just a resource block. English 112 is designed to teach you about the various writings you do in the disciplines that you will encounter at your four-year universities. So, for instance, in the humanities classes, your Englishes, cultural studies, whatever it may be, you will write essays, thesis-based essays, that are very important. As you move into your social sciences, you will write in a much different way, and we will discuss that. This course is a little bit different than your English 111 course in the respect that we're going to discuss two different documentation styles. We will start with MLA and discuss MLA for your humanities section, where we do a literary analysis. But when we move into the natural sciences and social sciences, we will be working with APA. APA is a very popular documentation style for your social sciences. Each of our disciplines require a slightly different documentation style. If you learn these two, which are the most popular, you will be successful in whatever documentation style your particular discipline is interested in. So that's a little bit of an overview of the course. I hope that I know we're going to have a great semester. Please, as always, email me if you have any questions. Thank you.